Hi, this is Keith from Silent Auction Biz. Today we're going to tell you how you can use breadcrumbs. You can tell that you're logged in when your name is under the Canadian flag, and that's the same on your phone or tablet or a computer. And what we want to do is we want to go into a specific item. So I'm going to go to this comic book store, and I'm going to go and find a product, and I'm going to click on one of their products. The breadcrumbs is this top line right here. And you can see how my pointer turns into a little hand and how it highlights. You just click on that, and that will take you back to the screen you were on. And that is how you use breadcrumbs. The same thing, you can use your browser's arrow, but it's just as fast to click on the breadcrumbs and get right back to where you're going, right to there. This has been Keith from Silent Auction Biz on how to use breadcrumbs.